Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Hypothesis testing questions often look tricky, but you can solve this one quickly by connecting the one-sided test results to the correct confidence interval right now. We found evidence that the proportion is less than 0.40 at the 5% level. This means the p-value for our one-sided test is less than 0.05.
A one-sided test at alpha equals 0.05 is equivalent to a two-sided confidence interval with a confidence level of 1 minus 2 times alpha, which is 90%.
Since the one-sided test rejects the null at 5%, the 90% confidence interval will exclude the null value of 0.40. Thus, the 95% interval includes it.
Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid confusing confidence levels by using the 1 minus 2 alpha rule for your intervals.